Lord, I feel like this is going to be a miracle. I bring glory and honor to your name.
As we prepare to celebrate our 10-year anniversary here at Heritage Bible College, we want to take a moment to reflect upon God's faithfulness and goodness in our lives. I'm thankful for the friends and churches that have supported this vision. I'm thankful for the professors, workers, and students that have been like family to me. I'm thankful for God's faithfulness in the 3 building projects we have completed, and I am thankful for the progress Heritage has made toward achieving accreditation with the Association for Biblical Higher Education. As we celebrate the accomplishments that God has provided to Heritage Bible College, we also realize that we have lived in what I call the tension of now but not yet. We've praised the Lord for His faithfulness and His goodness of what He has done in our lives, but we also understood that God had more things in store for us. This fall, Heritage Bible College will be hosting a team visit of colleagues from other colleges representing the Commission on Accreditation, which will provide a report to our accreditors that will vote on us in February of 2024 for initial accreditation. With this significant step in the history of our college, we now have a need for an academic building that will reflect an accredited Bible college. This building will host classrooms large enough for a growing student body. It'll also allow a place for students to study, learn, and connect, as well as many administrative offices where all of our personnel, cabinet members, and administrators can work efficiently.
This building is not just a physical structure, but a symbol of our commitment to providing students with an education that is centered around the biblical worldview and emphasizes academic excellence and spiritual growth. It will be a place where students can explore their calling and develop their gifts while growing in their faith and knowledge of God's Word.
Over the years, we have outgrown our current facilities due to the development of faculty, staff, and ever-increasing student body. I believe it is important to provide a workspace that is conducive to collaboration with others and that facilitates productivity and efficiency. This office will provide HBC's internal and external patrons with a professional private location to discuss and enact matters of fiscal responsibility, stewardship, and ministry-related financial objectives, all to the glory of God.
We are calling this new building Project 2025 because we have a goal of designing, building, and occupying the new academic building by the fall of 2025.
God has given us many great victories. There's been many obstacles. We didn't know what to do. We didn't have the resources or the personnel, but we knew it was the will of God. So we speak today in victory. Although this is a tremendous project, we're convinced in our heart this is the will of God. And when you're in the will of God, God will provide.
I believe that this academic building will help us ensure that future generations have an accredited Bible college that they can attend.